Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like looking put together is only for people with deep pockets? Like you see someone looking so polished and stylish and you think, I wish I can pull that off, but I'm broke. Well, guess what? That's the myth we are busting today because being broke doesn't mean you can't look or feel your best. So today we are diving into something very interesting, how to feel put together even if you're broke. We are going to focus on grooming, staying organized, and having the right mental attitude or mindset to help you feel your best no matter where you're at financially. These are practical tips that I have personally used, and trust me, they work wonders. If that sounds like something you're into, hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. And please watch this video all the way to the end. It really helps me out by encouraging me to make more videos like this and help YouTube push my content to more people so your girl can get monetized one day. All right, let's get started. Let's start with mental attitude because this is the most important when it comes to feeling put together. Your mental attitude shapes how you feel about yourself and how you see others. For example, if you wake up every morning and look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, I'm ugly, I'm not good enough, or I'm not enough, that's exactly what other people are going to see by your attitude and your body language. Focus on what you have and not what you lack. This is something that really helped me a lot. I used to have clothes and other fashion items saved in my shopping cart, and when I miss the sales, I feel so bad. But over the years, my mental attitude towards this problem changed because I realized that every year, every month, every season, brands keep bringing out new clothes, new designs, even finer than the previous things I had in my cart. Currently, I have clothes in my shopping cart that I saved for last year to buy during sales, and they've run out. And I also still have clothes that are still running on sales that I planned and intend to buy. But if at the end of the day I still can't get this clothes, that's really fine by me because if I can get it now, maybe 6 months from now, I'll be able to buy it. There will always be new clothes. Brands will keep dropping different clothes every year, every season. And maybe by then I'll have money or have the budget to buy it. So having the right mental attitude helps me focus on the clothes I have at the moment, not what I think I should have. Practice gratitude. This is another thing that really helped me a lot. Every morning, think of three things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your friends, or even that one dress that makes you feel amazing. Anytime I'm having a bad day and I just take a little time to meditate on the things I'm grateful for and just tell God, thank you. When I'm done, I feel so good and happy within myself. And once again, I'm excited about the day. I've come to realize that gratitude shifts your mindset and helps you radiate positivity. Fake it till you make it. Now, when I'm talking about fake it till you make it, I'm not talking about you going to borrow designer clothes from your rich friends or renting designer clothes for special occasions just to feel expensive. No, that's not the fake it till you make it I'm talking about. If you're invited to an occasion and you're wearing a $1 dress, walk into that room like you own it. Walk into the room like you're wearing a $500 dress. Fake that confidence. The more you fake it, the more it becomes part of you. That is the fake it till you make it I'm talking about. Now let's talk about Rihanna's fashion sense. I know a lot of us love Rihanna. I love Rihanna myself. But sometimes for me, it's not 100% of the time that Rihanna's outfit is always looking bump or amazing. I'm talking about in terms of color combination or using the right accessories. But now here is the point. Do you always notice Rihanna's face card when she's walking into the room, when she's walking into the street? You can feel that confidence. She does not care about what you think about her clothes. She walks in like she owns the room. When you feel confident, even if you're wearing rags, I'm not saying you should wear rag though, or you're wearing a cheap dress, it's not going to matter. You're not going to care because it's about how you feel. That's exactly what confidence is. The truth is, no outfit would ever look good if you don't feel confident in it. To me, confidence is the best accessory you could ever wear. And also remember that feeling put together is not just about your physical appearance, it's about the energy you carry. When you embrace confidence, trust me, people would notice and they will assume you have it all figured out even when you're broke. So, your mental attitude is what ties everything together. When you believe in yourself, it shows, and that's what makes you truly shine. I made a video about how to build your fashion confidence. If you're struggling with feeling confident in your clothes, be sure to check it out after this video. I'll leave a link in the description. Next, let's talk about organization. Feeling put together starts with creating order in your space and in your life. When you feel in control of your life, it helps you feel put together. Tidy up your room. This really helps from my own experience. You'll be surprised how much cleaner and calmer you feel just by making your bed and decluttering your space. Oh my god, that feeling, it makes me so happy. It makes me feel like I'm in control of my life, like I know what I am doing, and it just makes me so happy and I feel at peace with myself. When your surroundings are organized, it will definitely reflect in your mood and appearance. Planning your outfit can make a whole world of difference when it comes to feeling put together. In fact, it's a game changer. Imagine this: it's Monday morning and you wake up late and you're scrambling to find what to wear, and nothing seems to match or feels right. Sounds familiar? By the time you've been able to put an outfit together and you're out of the door, you already feel frazzled and less confident. But now picture this. You've planned your outfit the night before. Your clothes are clean, ironed, and ready to go. You've already visualized how good you're going to look. And when you get dressed, you instantly feel confident and polished. See the difference? Here's another example. Say you're working on a tight budget like myself and you only have a few good pieces in your wardrobe. When you plan, you can mix and match creatively. You can decide to pair that one white shirt with your favorite jeans today and next time with a skirt for a different look. Planning helps you maximize what you already have and it keeps you looking fresh and stylish even when you're broke. For me, I love to pick out a few versatile pieces that can be easily mixed and matched. I pair them up, hang them in a hanger, and put in my wardrobe. So it's not about having a huge wardrobe, it's about making the most of what you have and owning your look with confidence. The next step is to create a daily routine. This really helps a lot. Write down what you need to do each day. For me, this is exactly what I do. So the previous night, I'm going to write out the things I want to do either in my routine, and I also write them in the order of what is more important. When I wake up the next day, I am not confused about what I need to do. Having a routine and going through with my routine helps me have a productive day. It helps me focus on what is important and what really matters. So I don't spend my day doing things that are not necessary. And when I've successfully done everything I'm supposed to do in my routine for that day, I feel so motivated to do more the next day. It gives me this inner joy and it just helps boost my confidence. A clear plan keeps you focused and prevents you from getting overwhelmed, and that's exactly what having a routine does for me. So, think about organization as your foundation. When your life is in order, you naturally feel more put together. Let's talk about grooming because if you're well groomed, no matter what you're wearing, you feel and look like $1 million. Girls, you don't need expensive salon treatment every 2 weeks before your hair looks good. You can buy all your hair treatments and wash your hair at home. You might even do it better than they do in the salon. Learn simple hairstyles like a sleek ponytail, a messy bun, or braids that makes you look polished. These are all classy hairstyles that do not go out of style. They are easy to make, they are affordable, and they look good. For me, braids are my go-to because they are such a protective hairstyle. They last a long time and they are very easy to maintain. All I need is some hair molds, a good hairspray, and leave-in conditioner to keep them looking fresh. Plus, I can style them in so many different ways, and every time it feels like I have a whole new look. When it comes to hair, what really matters is if the style suits your face shape, if the color complements your skin tone, and if it's very easy to maintain and style. If you find a simple hairstyle that ticks all these boxes without breaking the bank, you're good to go. Keep your skincare very simple. Trust me when I say less is more. I used to have a simple skincare routine. I had a formula called CTMS: cleanse, tone, moisturize, protect with sunscreen. Now, a few months later, I decided to upgrade my skincare and I added retinol, lactic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C. And when I started using all these products together, although I used them the right way, my skin started purging. I started having rashes and pimples. And I just had to go back to my previous skincare routine, which is just keeping it simple: clean, tone, moisturize, sunscreen, and that's it. And you don't even need fancy products. A drugstore product works just best. For me, I use a simple moisturizing cleanser. That's my favorite cleanser. I love it because it's affordable and it does the job. For your nails, you can trim them neatly and apply a clear or natural polish if you can. Even bare clay nails looks amazing. Like clean, natural nails is also a go-to. So grooming is all about presenting yourself with care. When you pay attention to these details, you feel confident and put together, even if you're broke. The little things makes the biggest impact. Even if you have one pair of sneakers or flats, keep them clean. Your bags should be wiped clean. Make sure it's not peeled or overloaded with stuff. You don't need an expensive perfume. A lightly scented lotion or even a body spray can leave a lasting impression. These small details create a cohesive and polished look that screams, I've got my life together. So, girls, that's how to feel put together even when you're broke. Secret to looking your best is all about focusing on grooming, having the right mental attitude, and staying organized. The best part, none of this requires a big budget. It's about working with what you have and being intentional. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our community of fabulous broke girls making it work. Let me know in the comment what's your go-to tip for feeling put together. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and stay you. Bye.